Hey, what's up everybody? It's Tay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I was super excited to film this for you guys, not only because it was outside and the weather felt great, but I needed the lighting. Now if you have any suggestions on where I could find better lighting for affordable prices, definitely hit me up in the comment box below. Since I'm going to a party tonight, I'm going to be doing neon makeup to match my neon hair. Yeah, let's do it! The two palettes we're actually starting off with is the hudabeauty Sapphire Obsessions and the Zulu palette by Juvias Place. I'm using Fenty on my eyes, fuck it. Fenty lipstick does not have to go on your eyes. I only did this because I needed a blue base that was able to stay all night and match my eyeshadow. Then on top of the Motorboat lipstick, I'm using the turquoise matte eyeshadow from the hudabeauty Sapphire Obsessions palette, and we're just going to pack that right on top. Whew, that was a mouthful. I don't want to lose you guys again like I did in my last video. I know I disappeared because I moved my head a little bit far over to the right, so I'm trying to perfect it. And the brush I'm using is SL Miss Glam SB68 brush, baby. So I would have never found this brush if it wasn't for my Ipsy bag that comes in the mail every month, so definitely sign up for that. It is the best thing ever, especially if you love free makeup and free samples. So I went to Beauty Plus One and I came across a neon eyeliner by Ruby Kiss for only $1 something, and it's absolutely amazing. It even matches the eyeshadow from my hudabeauty palette. So I'm going in with both of those, and I lined my crease already with the eyeliner, and I'm just blending it out with the eyeshadow. Luckily, I was able to find a lime green that stood out to me. The one that I'm using is the one that I showed you earlier in my video. It's the Zulu palette by Juvias Place. The green doesn't have any type of name, but we're just going to call it Poison. So I'm only calling it this because it's a bright neon green and it looks venomous as hell, and I just want to rock it. Now my eyebrows don't look bad at all, but they definitely could be better, and they have been better before. I just don't know what happened. Like, you can clearly see the other side of my face isn't even done yet, but it will be. I'm packing it on my lid with my finger because I noticed that works the best when it comes to pressed eyeshadow. If I ever get too inebriated, my eyes will just glow in the dark and you can help me find my way home. With that same green, I'm just going underneath with a flatter brush and just kind of following my waterline and blending that green out, and then I'm also going in with a shimmery blue a little bit later. Next, I was looking for a green with some yellow in it, so I'm using Fireflies for my Too Faced Unicorn palette. And this is going to go underneath of my eye as well as the corner, I believe, and everywhere else. Also using the highlighter in that palette, I'm just going right in the corner of my eye, in the tear duct. And I chose a pearly yellow highlight just so I could blend better with the green and give it a little bit more of a warmer look. So on top of that dark green eyeshadow that I'm about to wing out right now, I'm actually going to apply NYX teal glitter on top. The reason why is because I wasn't sure how I felt about the green. I thought it was a little bit too matte for me, and also I love glitter, so why not add that in? And again, just going back in and blending all the rough edges out to make everything look nice and smooth. Using my Color Stay Liquid Eyeliner by Revlon, I'm just winging my eyes. Here's the part I've been anticipating this entire video. I'm going to go in with the Fenty liquid eyeliner. Now I need a stiff hand and lots of focus. As long as I got that, girls, we're golden. I'm like, where does my crease go? So great so far. The brush is a little thin, so I had to go over a few more times. And I also did have a lot of eyeshadow on. But besides that, I think the pigment's great. It's definitely not going dry like some of the other liquid liners I've tried. So I'm definitely using this again. I also like how it's going wherever I put the brush. It definitely doesn't bleed, definitely doesn't crease. Just following where the green eyeshadow is and where I want my wing to be. You can kind of cheat a little bit if you have hooded eyes like I do. I just raise mine up a little bit more, or you can keep them deep set, it's up to you. This application was flawless, and I think we have a winner. When we do wear makeup, we often stress our face out and raise our eyebrows, and one good way to make sure that your crease is perfect is if you just rest your eyebrows. Let the bags hang, girl, so that way you don't risk drawing too high or too low. So I just went straight underneath of my wing with the yellow as well. Pop in that NYX glitter glue on the green. I'm not rubbing it, I'm just doing some patting motions under the eye as well, because that's where I'll be putting the glitter. Showing you guys my vials of blood like. After packing that on, I'm just going to brush away the fallout. And with my LA Colors highlighter palette, we are going to hit that tear duct one more time. I'm also going back in and touching up the yellow. Oh yeah, so I was about to go this whole video without telling you what color the Fenty Beauty liquid eyeliner actually is. It is Banana Blaze. Yep, just blending out the highlighter, and I'm actually going back in with Banana Blaze, and I'm just going in the tear duct one more time. Yeah, so we're just going to unify them lines. Next, I'm using the Glitter Liquid Eyeliner by Urban Decay. This has been out for multiple years, and this color is actually Distortion. So we're going to apply Distortion in the corner of my eye. Well, look at that. My roots are glorious. So I tried my best to keep my eyes in the cut, but unfortunately I gave this camera too much head. So you're welcome. Also going underneath of my crease with the glitter as well. I'm baptizing myself in this glitter right now. Super excited because I'm getting my eyes back and we are almost all done. Now I only took pictures with one of my eyes done, but you can go and check my Instagram account, which I have both of my eyes done, and I feel like a little neon gremlin queen. So I did my mascara, did my lashes, popped those on, and I'm loving the glitter and the yellow. That Fenty, that NYX glitter come through. So thanks so much for watching this video. If you want to see how the rest of my look turned out, please follow me on Instagram at IcedTayMUA. If you enjoyed this video, drop some stone in the comment box below and hit up that subscribe button. Hope you have just as much fun recreating this look as I did making this video.